all the party the Congress will be the best this time.
Badariti Lyngdoh Nonglait, niece of late Hopingstone Lyngdoh, founder of the Hill State People's Democratic Party, Hspdp, has declared her intention to run for the upcoming MDC election from Nongstoin constituency. Hopingstone Lyngdoh was a prominent political figure who served for over 4 decades as an MLA, a term as a Lok Sabha MP, and was elected as an MDC 7 times. Badariti vows to continue her uncle's legacy and dedication to the well-being of Nongstoin residents.
Hoy ngani kuni ngani election MDC naka Nongstoin constituency badru naka party Hspdp lani ke bangitip kum ka party sing ladangi lecho pajba ban penken mau ya ka menor akaba ki pajba jong Nongstoin constituency ki dei ki bala krishan radba ya kani ka party omba ki ya ka party omba ki yo ma Hopingstone Lyngdoh Henry ki dei ki bas ngau thu biang ya kita ki nongrim ki ba u lead ma Hopingstone Lyngdoh ula product na markata da ka bangilit da kata ka sur syo pajba but da kata ka lenti le se kan dei ka lenti bangin penwan biang ya upajba bu kershan ya ki nongrim bahok but ik jingele jo ma
The Dorbash Nong Umpernai has decided to boycott the